Hello everybody. Sorry I haven't posted very much lately. I haven't felt good. I haven't been on social media either. I've got some sort of nerve problem that's causing a lot of pain. Started in my toe, was in my elbows I think at one point. Now it's in my neck and my head. So I've had to deal with that. We've tested for neurodegenerative diseases and that seems to be negative, but I'm waiting on about a $1,500 treatment coming up before too long. That should help that with the pain. And then lately I've still been able to work, even though I do have days where I've had to be on FMLA. But I've been not feeling like gardening or working on cars or anything, so I've been doing some programming with Python. Interestingly enough, I was able to make this program, which uses computer vision to recognize edges and lines, and this could be useful for computer navigation. And I have a friend that actually is trying to create an assembly line in his apartment for his 3D printers. And I was thinking maybe this might be useful if we can get shape recognition in here too. We can actually detect what part is coming where and direct it to the right bin. Still a long ways to go, but this short piece of code does work for detecting lines and edges so far. And I'll show you the output in a minute.